इंडियन सिटीजनशिप मेळोवपाचे पाकिस्तानी ख्रिश्चन सिनियर सिटीजनाचे स्वप्न शेवटाक पुराय झाले। गोंयान जल्मल्ले मात गोंय मुक्त जावच्या पयलीं पाकिस्तानात गेल्ले जोसेफ परेरा हे सध्या कासावले आपल्या बायले बरोबर रावताले। तांची बायल गोंयकार असून लग्न जाल्या उपरांत ते गोंयान शिफ्ट जाल्ले आणि इंडियन सिटीजनशिप मेळोवपा खातीर तांचो सखोल प्रयत्न चालू आशिल्लो। हाचीच दखल घेवन मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी सांगिल्ले राज्यातली पहिली सिटीजनशिप सर्टिफिकेट आम्ही पाकिस्तानी ख्रिश्चन जोसेफ परेरा हांका दितले। कित्येक आव्हानांक तोंड दिवन सतत सरकारी खात्यांच्या दारार आवाज दिवन शेवटाक तांकां सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट ॲक्टच्या अंतर्गत गोयच्या मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी इंडियन सिटीजनशिपची सर्टिफिकेट जोसेफ हांका सुपूर्द केली। आपल्याक मरच्या पयलीं इंडियन सिटीजनशिप मेळपाना दिसता अशें जोसेफ सदांच आपल्या बायलेक सांगताले। मात उसरा आसूं पूण तांकां ही सर्टिफिकेट मेळून ते गोंयान पयले नागरिक आसा जे पाकिस्तानी आशिल्ले मात आता तांकां इंडियन सिटीजनशिप फावो जाल्या। आपल्याक खूप खोस भोगता आनी आपल्याक फ्रीडम मेळ्ळे। आता आपूण मेकळेपणान जाय थंय भोंवपाक शकता देखून जोसेफ हांणी सरकाराचे उपकार मानल्यात।
ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीजी हांच्यांनी सिटीजन अमेंडमेंट ॲक्ट हो पास केलो आनी तेजो ऑलरेडी सिटीजनशीप दिवपा खातीर सुरवात केली आनी सिटीजनशीप दिता आसतना गोंया खातीरूय आमकां अभिमानाची गजाल आसा। मिस्टर जोसेफ फ्रांसीस परेरा हांकां आमी आज सिटीजनशीप दिता। तो आमच्या मदीं आयला हांगासर। गोंय मुक्त जावच्या पयलीं पाकिस्तानान फॉर फर्दर कराची हांगासर फर्दर स्टडी करपा खातीर तो गेल्लो आनी ताज्या उपरांत गोंय मुक्त जालें आनी परत तो येता आसतना ताका थंयसर पाकिस्तानची सिटीजनशीप घेवची पडली। त्या वेळा टायमींग खातीर तेणी आपलें एड्युकेशन थंयसर कंप्लीट केलें। देन ही हॅव शिफ्टेड टू द गोवा। तो गोवन बायले कडेन लग्नय जालो, ताजी मिसेस गोंयची आसा, जेन्ना लग्नय जालो आनी ताज्या उपरांत तो गोंयांत रावतालो बट ताजे कडेन सिटीजनशीप जी आशिल्ली ही ताजे कडेन नासली आनी म्हणून तर आमी म्हणटा की हिंदू, सीख आनी कॅथलीक बौद्ध ह्या लोकांक जी सिटीजनशीप जी दिवपाक जाय आशिल्ली जे तेद्या वेळार म्हणजे भारताचेच नागरीक पाकिस्तानांत आसले आनी पाकिस्तानांतल्यान भारतांत येवन रावले बट ताजे कडेन सिटीजनशीप नाशिल्ली। जो लिगल हर्डल क्रिएट करपा खातीर सिटीजन अमेंडमेंट ॲक्ट हो केलो आनी ताज्या अनुसारूच तांकां आयज सिटीजनशीप जी आसा पळय ती आमी दिता। म्हाकाय खूब खोस भोगता की आमच्या एका गोंयकाराक आमी आज ती गोंयांत सिटीजनशीप सर्टिफिकेट तेजी हांगा दिता, ताका आमी हांगासर आफयलाय बी। अशे गोंयकारूय बी आजुनूय आसतले। आमी आमच्या होम डिपार्टमेंटाच्या वतीन सर्च केला, जाका जाका दिवपा जाय तेंच्यांनी आमकां एप्रोचूय करचो, आमी फेसिलिटेट करता म्हणून सांगलां। त्या खातीर अशे कोण जे आसात तेंच्यांनी सिटीजनशीप ही घेवपा खातीरूय बी हांगासर तेकाय हांगासर आफयला। म्हणजे हांव तेजी जस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशना खातीर द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया नोटिफिकेशन GSR 172E dated 11/3/2024 has notified the Citizenship Amendment Act 2024 and providing the provisions of the grant of the Indian citizenship to the person who are eligible under Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. A person belonging to the Hindu, Sikh, Jain, Buddhist, Parsi and Christian communities of the Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan या तीन देशांतल्यान who came to India up to the date 31/12/2014 ह्या डेटी पर्यंत जे आयिल्ले तिकेन in Goa an application was received by the authorities and who are the required to process and decide on the application. The applicant Mr. Joseph Francis Pereira is a Pakistani citizen currently residing in the Kasawlem, South Goa. And Mr. Joseph has married to an Indian citizen Mrs. Marta Pereira in the year of 1978 and residing in the Indian consulate since 11/9/2013. Mr. Joseph has the roots from the India and he and his parents were born in Goa. However, prior to the Goa liberations, Mr. Joseph moved to the Pakistan for his higher studies and works and become the Pakistani citizens. It is our privilege to give him the Indian citizenship under the Section 6B of the Citizenship Act 1955, who is also the married to a citizen of Indian fulfilling the condition under Section 5(1)(c) of the Act. या ॲक्टाच्या अनुसार ताका आज आमी आमची सिटीजनशीप दिता सर्टिफिकेट।
All the ministries who are involved in this to give me the certificate. Thank you.
We give the thanks to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah.
Yes, sir.
Their effort.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Reading this CA, and I'm grateful for all this government official that could process my citizenship. Very grateful. Very happy.
Okay, so what difficulties you had to face due to this thing?
Well, when I had applied a long time back, 11 years back, it was not getting processed, and ultimately this has come CAA, which I got it very first time.
So even you have to face some difficulties because you are not the citizen of India. So
Yeah, I have to apply for my visa every time, every 2 years I have to apply. FRO was granting me a visa, which is for 2 years, and then I have to go again back to them, run this poll to that poll, all the inquiries I have to finish.
okay, we just spoke to your wife. She was like, you were always saying that you will die without the citizenship of India.
That's right. I was praying. My whole day and night was concentrating on this subject only. I had a lot of files which other day I cleared. I always look at all the files. I said, when I'm going to get my citizenship? I really sent prayers to online ministry to give me my citizenship.
Okay, so do you think it is too late that you got this citizenship because it took almost 11 years?
11 years. I felt that I what went through. I want to get it much faster because I was born in Goa. I was everything. My parents was in Goa. My wife is Goa. So I don't know why it took so long. But I'm grateful now that I got it.
So what difference it will make to your life after getting the CA certificate?
I'm glad the difference is vast. That I am born. I got to live freedom. I'm now free. To go anywhere, even I have to go to Delhi by I have to take permission from FRO. Now I can go just to take my ticket and travel.
Okay, so you must be having neighbors. Like, what was their attitude towards you, unless and until you got this?
Yeah, I was there by neighbors. They knew that I was Pakistani and all. I used to come to visit my family. They were concerned about me. When are you going to get your citizenship and all that?
Okay, forget about any other nation, but you were Pakistani citizenship. So how difficult it was for you to be in India?
No, but difficult means I used to take a special visa, which I had to go approach to Indian embassy in Mali, just to give a visa, which is I had to produce certain letters for my wife that I had to come to visit them.
I myself married for the past 42 years. I had been waiting in tension for the past 42 years. But always something was lacking. You could not be fully satisfied because someone else is thinking all the time, what will I do? We went from pillar to post all the time.
Yeah, I will, ma'am. I will.
We went from so many people asking for help. Nothing came out of it.
How difficult it was, ma'am, to manage all this?
It was very difficult. So in the first place, he was working in Bahrain. For him to get a visa to come to India was very difficult. Sometimes it took 2.5 years to come. So we saw him only after 2.5 years. My children grew up, 2 daughters I have. They grew up without knowing what it was to have a father around.
So what were your challenges like when before you got your husband got the citizenship, being a Pakistani? So what were the challenges all faced as a family?
First of all, we could not be together all the time. Secondly, we had so many official things to do. Go report to the FRO or report to the police station. That was some tedious thing. Or sometimes police are coming to your place suddenly. And very fact that police is coming to you, it doesn't make you feel good like that.
So what was your reaction when government introduced the Citizen Amendment
I
Act?
was quite apprehensive whether that would work in our case. I wasn't sure. I read all the news, see that even it was given to other states. Still, I wasn't very sure that would work in our case.
So anyone was there to help you all in this full process?
My daughter's husband, my son-in-law, is from Gurgaon. So he came down in Goa in June, mid-June. He did his application. He is very clever in this thing. First he did one, then he thought that was getting a stop on the portal. It was not working. Then he tried for marriage to a Indian national, and that clicked immediately. And within 8 days, we got a thing that a committee is formed. We have to attend the committee meeting, and then after within 1.5 months, everything.
So, any message to government of India?
We are thankful to them for having introduced this act. We benefited from it, and I hope many other people benefit from it.